Not all fats are the same. There are 3 types of fats that people consume in their diets. Unsaturated fats are good fat, which come from foods such as fish, olives, almonds, peanut butter, avocados, and canola oil. Saturated fats are bad fat, which come from foods such as red meat, cheese, butter, full-fat dairy, and olive oil. Trans fats are really bad fat, which come from most processed foods such as candy bars, shortening, cookies, french fries, chips, and donuts. The controversy surrounds recommendations of good fat and bad fat. Current guidelines recommend a diet of no more than 35% total fat and less than 10% of saturated fats. Mammals naturally seek out fat-rich foods. However, in most natural habitats, fat-rich foods are limited. Humans also naturally seek out fat-rich foods, but we have fat-rich foods with no limitation. The unrestricted availability of fatty foods is a key aspect which contributes to diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Fat in general has a bad reputation, but science has proven not all fats are the same. Good fats and lipids should be part of our daily diet because they provide us with the essential nutrients, such as fatty acids and vitamin E. Obesity is often due to overconsumption of calories, a high in fat diet, but obesity also puts people at risk for developing coronary heart disease and chronic illnesses. Studies show that people with diets high in total and saturated fats are at risk for developing coronary heart disease. A diet high in total fat, saturated fats, and calories often results in obesity and increased risk of coronary heart disease. Obesity causes high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, coronary artery disease, and chronic diseases. High cholesterol and hypertension increases the risk of heart disease. Diet is a key factor for people that have raised cholesterol and or triglycerides. Modifying diets can improve their cholesterol and or triglyceride levels. Research shows that eating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidant vitamins are beneficial for cardiovascular health. When people who have health risks change to a Mediterranean diet, their lipid profiles improve and inflammation in the body reduces. The Mediterranean diet also reduces their risk of heart disease and cancer decreases. Protein is a chemical makeup of nitrogen, carbon, and hydrogen atoms. Nitrogen atoms are also called amino acids, and there are up to 20 different types of amino acids in a single strand of protein. Amino acids are imperative to the human body because essential amino acids are only replenished by eating foods containing essential amino acids. The body can make the rest of the amino acids it needs because they are non-essential amino acids. Protein and amino acids help to build new tissues in the body, such as an embryo, blood cells, and muscles. About 40% of the body's protein is found in the muscles. The recommended amount of protein is up to 35% of total calories. The amount of protein everyone's body needs depends on their weight. Your weight in pounds divided by 2.2 to convert pounds to kilograms. Then you take your weight in kilograms divided by 0.8, and then you get the recommended grams in protein. An example of low saturated trans fat diet. Miss Miller can cut down on saturated fats and trans fats by avoiding processed foods, avoiding fried foods, and eating more fruits and vegetables. An example of increased unsaturated fats and protein. In order to increase unsaturated fats and protein in Miss Miller's diet, She should eat baked, grilled, or broiled salmon, plain almonds, and natural peanut butter.